take really strong players from disparate communities and you put them together on teams with expert coaching.
So a lot of the esports players are really looking to get some scholarships out of it.
We have some college representatives from all over the nation here.
So you mean to tell me about all the hands in the room, everybody in here is that top 2%.
It's ultimate, it's a 1v1 and Prestige does it!
We want to extend an offer for you to come to college at Boise State. The most talented players are going to get conversations with every university.
We're just really trying to make sure that you're picking the right school for academics.
This boot camp is really about finding out every weakness they have, finding out all these bad habits they have.
We have a couple really quiet players.
I'm nervous. I'm a bit silent when I play. I have to learn to talk more.
And Wild gets to school! He finally got it!
He broke all the records for scholarships here at Esports Tower, taking home between academic and Rocket League $1.3 million.
Sometimes I feel a lot that I'm overlooked, even by my peers, and I want to show them that I can just be a complete dominant force when I'm given the chance.
It's not every day that you're a kid like me and you get to have this experience.
Something, he gets one, vote.
I have people in the crowd there cheering my name on. I have to give them a show.
That feeling of just being up on stage and having a whole crowd of people, it's unbeatable.
1v1, but oh, why would you pick him?
I love this. I want to do this every day.
Another pin!
You didn't make a choice, so you were just looking at things.
If you want to go pro, sometimes you have to make sacrifices.
Jump up and down, you're a crowd, you're a caster. It's a transformational experience.
That was a light switch, and now I see what it's all about.
And these players, 5-10 years on the road, they're not going to remember who won. They're going to remember what they learned here.